Hi viewers, yes, CCT is back from vacation, and thank you to those of you who contacted me while I was away concerned about my absence. I did share a few holiday pictures with some of you, and there's a couple coins on the table here which will be a hint as to where I was. Now, I used to see a lot of these in a lot of videos years ago because they were pretty cheap, 80% silver. And this is the Spanish 100 pesetas, and I haven't seen anyone feature any of these in a video for a long time, I don't think. But what's interesting about these, apart from the edge lettering, is that they all have the same date, 1966, but were actually struck for other years, but had the same date. So the actual date they were struck is in that tiny little star, or the stars, should I say, and I think this one is a 68. So this was actually struck in 68, even though it was has 66 on it, and I think the other one has as I've written on the capsule, 66. So that was actually struck in the year on the coin. Anyway, so you might be thinking I was in Spain. Well, I actually wasn't in Spain. I was in a Spanish colony, and I have searched there for silver before without any success. There's nothing, no coin shops there. But anyway, so I've never managed to buy any silver there. I think you probably could if you went to the bigger towns or whatever, but I went to the capital and couldn't find anything. But anyway, that's by the by. So the video is about me being back now and ready to stack again. There are some silver coins that I'm specifically got my eyes on, but I'll reveal that when I can get some. But anyway, so yeah, the Spanish 100 pesetas, we'll try one of them on the slide in a minute. And I just dug out a few other coins for the video from these come out of the deep stack, and these are from not so deep stack, the Isle of Man Angel. I don't know if they still make these. I'm going to have to look that up because they were absolutely gorgeous coins. And a medallion which many of you will have seen featured in many of my videos before. I actually bought this direct from Mexico. And a Britannia and a Libertad, and the reason that the Libertad's out as well is because I've never done a slide comparison between the Onza and the Libertad. So we'll do that in a minute. Anyway, so part of the reason for posting the video, sliding back into stacking, was that I now have new stock of my slides in the United States, and I've probably got about, I don't know, 15 of them in the States, and I'll leave a link down in the description where you can buy them direct from my friend who's very trustworthy, very reliable. I'll give you his email, and I'll also put the US eBay link, and I'll also put the UK eBay link. Now, of course, as you know, you can buy them direct from me as well. Just drop me an email or chat with me on Instagram. Anyway, let's test the 100 pesetas down the... Oh, we better show you the slide first, the black walnut. I've got plenty black walnut in stock. I bought a board, a rather expensive board. But there is some in the States, some walnuts. I meant to actually dig out my list of stock, what I've got in the States, but I forgot. I might do it in a minute. But anyway, let's see how the 80% 100 pesetas goes down. Nice and slow. Obviously it isn't an ounce, so if it was an ounce it would actually go faster. Now let's do a comparison, because I've never done this before, between the balance scale Onza, which, as you know, contains an ounce of silver, but is sterling. There we go, lay 925. So let's do a comparison between that and the Libertad, which is pure, as you know. Should I get 2 slides together, or should we just run them down separately? Let's run the balance scale on as pretty slow, and the Libertad, I would say touch slower, wouldn't you? Touch slower. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway. So, glitching the recording there. Anyway, yeah, the stock currently available in the UK, I think I only have about 7 left, but we've got some oak, a few oak variations available, the black ash, one of which I think just was mailed out yesterday in the US from my US distributor, and we have mahogany. He has a much more varied range than I do, but anyway, move those to the side. Right, sorry for the pause there, but I went and got my list of what I've got in the United States. You've got a selection of the budget granite slides, you've got a bamboo, utility, black ash, which is this, you've got golden oak, dark oak, which is what that is, and you've got black walnut, and I think he's also got mahogany and maybe cherry. Anyway, I'll go and have a slurp and hopefully catch you on a video soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.